Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Yay!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichiletfish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a koki fish.
Hi!
Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Yes!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a koki fish.
Yay!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichiletfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a broomfish. Look at this. Is this a comb fish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Hi.
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a red devil fish?
Yes.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a pearl gourmet fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichiletfish? Look at this. This is a ghost fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yes.
Look at this. Is this a zebra cichiletfish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a lobster? Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a koki fish?
Hi.
Look at this. Is this a comet fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this an eel?
Yes.
Yeah!